Hello everyone. Today's topic is word formation. So look at this. The first thing, how the words are formed. So we are going to see what is root word first. A root word is a basic word from which other words are derived through the addition of prefixes and suffixes. Yes. So the root word is a basic word from which other words are derived from that word addition of prefixes and suffixes. What is prefixes? A group of letters that are added to the beginning of a word to change the meaning or creating a new word is called prefixes. For an example, unhappy. Happy is a base word. You are adding un as a prefix that changes its meaning and creating a new word. And what is suffixes? Suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to modify or create a new word. For example, happiness. This ness is a suffix that changes the adjective happy into a noun denoting the state. It's a state of mind, right? Happiness. And here, what is affixes? An affix is a linguistic element that is added to a word or base to modify its meaning to create a new word. Affixes can be prefixes added at the beginning of a word or suffixes added at the end of a word. And some example for prefixes. Okay, you just start doing the word un. We already seen what is that, unhappy, right? And re is regenerate. Yes. Pre, that is pre-eat. Yes. And dis, with this dis you can say dismiss, disclosure. Yes. And mis, starting with mis is misunderstanding, misplace. Yes. Sub is substandard. Okay. And inter. Okay. So with this inter you can say that international. Okay. Intermediate. Yes. Anti, what you can say, antiseptic. Yes. Super, that is supernatural, super conductor. Yes. And co, with this co you can say co-worker, co-author. Okay. So these are the thing which is called prefixes. And what is suffixes? Suffixes we already seen, that is at the end of a word. We are adding a group of words to the end of a word is called suffixes. That is able. Able is communicable. Yes. Ly, that is happily. And tion, attraction. Okay. And ment, development. nes, happiness. Yes. And ful, beautiful, right? ist, yes, dentist. Okay. Artist. So these are the words, it says the suffixes. And word formation. Word formation refers to the process of creating new words or formatting existing words by adding prefixes or suffixes is called word formation. And example of word formation, this is what we have already seen: unhappy, redo, okay, and friendly, and action. Yes. And see how the words formed. One is adding prefixes and suffixes, the other one is compounding. For an example, two words, compound words: tooth plus brush, toothbrush; rain plus coat, a raincoat; washing plus machine, washing machine. Okay. So these are the way we can form a new words. So blending, what is that? Blending words like breakfast plus lunch, it's called brunch, right? These days we use this word. I'm gonna directly take my brunch. That is not proper breakfast time, not proper lunch time. In between we are having that brunch. And smoke plus fog, that is smog. Okay. And borrowing, you are borrowing words from other language. For an example, cafe, because even in our campus we have one cafe So this cafe word we borrowed from French people. Okay, and the next one is tsunami. Tsunami, the word we borrowed from Japanese. Okay, and see, vocabulary. This vocabulary refers to the collection of words that a person knows and uses in a language. Okay, and here the words formed, like if for an example I'm gonna give you the word imagine. If I'll ask you to write imagine as a word, you have to create a word for noun and create a word for adjective and also the adverb. So there is a proper group of letters you have to add with the root word. So you will get that noun, verb, adjective and adverb. Okay, so this is what the words are forming. Okay, so thanks for listening, and I'll catch you with my next video. Thank you guys.